Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alister Azimuth?
You've lost the element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? Orsalon? Nefarious? Because they lack the spine to confront me themselves.
Look at me! I'm a Lombax!
The Lombaxes are gone! And I know a hollow guys when I see one!
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Try this! You're starting to annoy me. How about a barbecue? Ha! You should have trained more before coming for me. I've toyed with you long enough. Not bad. It almost borders on talent. Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Kaden's son. Forgive me. General Alister Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Kaden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's Hoverboots. Ready for your first lesson? If you're going to stop Nefarious, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. Now, used properly, these Hoverboots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage. Wonderful. Well, take him for a spin. If you want to turn, just shift your weight. The boosters will take care of the rest. Ah! I see you found the accelerator. I've set up a small practice course for you over here. Come on back when you're ready to give it a shot. Well, looks like you've got the basics down. Now, let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hoverboot course. Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready? All right, follow me. And now for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those Hoverboots. That was some of the finest hoverbooting I've ever seen. Nice work, Ratchet.
Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Terragnos.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank! nav unit so we can communicate.
Copy that. So, what's in Axiom City?
A company called Pollux Industries. Nefarious hired them to locate Zoni technology. They keep a database of every obsidian eye in the universe.
Oh yeah, I found one once back on Murdergraw. Too bad the Hulafoids dismantled it.
Pollux won't just let us waltz into the building. We may have to be a little aggressive.
I'm ready. Be there as soon as I can.
Hey there, folks. Your old pal Mac McElroy here. Just thought I'd record another advertisement in the likely event the station forgot to play the last ones. I'm looking around and, well, I know these are trying economical times, so we have decided to drop the price from 4 bolts a head to free. That's right, free comedy, folks. Only a bunch of saps would pass that up. So come see me, Mac McElroy, at the Moonlight Lounge.